niya basa-basa lilipo. Sundot siya ito. Hindi yung kaya mo. Sundot ko lang yung kadwa. Bayang yan mga asawa. Again, we'd like to thank Mr. Sabado for doing the mic duties. Again, join us here at the Nouveau Basketball Court, Nouveau Basketball Grounds, Nouveau Residences. Kulong Kakutod. Kape pa. Paul Brook.
Masyadong malakas. Balik guys. Salazar. Rudol. Salazar. Diretso lang nakikita. Wala.
Rebounds.
David ngayon. Bababa ng bola.
Pasok.
Orbong sa baseline. Shooter. Wala. Ang bola na pagkakay number 15. Tebes binigay kay
Andy Lazy Dog. Parang Nouveau 2-0.
Orbong. Crossover. Orbong. Nasunod ang bola. Last touch by Violet.
Forget the friends.
Orbong. Pinasa kay Orbong. Umangat. Wala.
Easy.
Umangat na sa
Easy.
baseline. 2-0 ang ating
2-0,
score.
9 minutes 24 official time.
Hulog. Binigay kay Tebes. Pasa kay Salazar again. Wala. Rebound by Orbong. Binigay kay Orbong to Jaron. Libre. Tumira. Wala. Nakakuha ni Tebes.
Tebes now running, leading the fast break.
Tebes, pasa.
Lob pass. Good pass pero hindi nabasa ni Andy. Miscommunication. Sayang. Good pass sana.
Dahan-dahan lang ang hakbang ni Nulog. Nakabagong sapatos. Nulog. Orbong, guarded by Nulog. Binigay kay David. Sir David, umangat.
Russell, wala.
Nakuha ni Benaventura. Orbong, libre. Yes, sir.
Wow. Wow. Andy thinks about it.
Yes, sir.
Makes it 5-2. 8-11 left.
For winning the first game kanina. Orbong, number 2, binigay kay Pangilinan. Pumake, guarded by, nice defense by Batang Nubu.
Russell.
Pumihit, wala.
One-footed. Wala.
Lumabak, binigay kay Tebes. Tebes ngayon, atake. Tebes, umangat, pinasa sa gilid.
Hands off.
Napunta kay number 27.
Andy gets with the ball. Looks like a foul. And it is a foul.
Buenaventura.
Foul on Buenaventura. Scores 5-2.
First foul, first personal foul.
A little over 2 minutes and change. Expired in this quarter. Andy back to Salazar. Good passing game shown by Batang Nouveau. 7-2.
Orbong. Pinasa sa ilalim.
Nalaglag na nga po. Yun na nga pa ang sinasabi natin. Ingat. Ingat. Pinag-iingat.
Buenaventura. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Tapikan na Ronnie Morales. Binigay kay Nulog. 3-on-2 situation. Nulog. Behind the back. Nulog. Pass to Salazar. Malakas ang tira. Buenaventura. Orbong. Diretso. Umangat.
Block.
Out of bounds.
What a block.
Pangilinan, binigay kay David. David bumangga. David pumingit. David back to Orbong. To David. Wala. Rebound. Kapikan. Nakuha ni Morales. Morales. 2-on-2. Morales. Umangan.
Ooh!
Rebound by
Looks like a foul.
number 2.
Tulak na.
Hmm?
Foul ito. Flagrant siya. Chubabo eh. People are clamoring for a foul, but no foul. And let's look at that last play. Yeah.
Happy birthday, dumaan ang ating birthday boy. Dulod.
Happy birthday, Andy.
Salazar, short.
Again, happy birthday, Andy Mulud. Magkakaroon kaya siya ng birthday gift na panalo. Let's see if it's counted. Looks like it is.
Foul on number 24, Salazar. 24.
7-4.
Pangtabla. Wala. Last touch by Tevez. Pangilinan. Pangilinan for 3. Ganado. Ganado. Lagay niyo sa basurahan. Lamang na ang Bakers. Pangilinan, number 10. Nabitawan ng bola. Napunta kay
12-7. Bakers. Official times 5 minutes 27. Woo! Makes it just in the nick of time. 15-7.
Lumapak. Lumapak. Fade away shot. Wala. Rebound. Orbong. Orbong. Tumatakbo. Bitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Lulot. Lulot ngayon. Lulot. Bitawan na naman ang bola. Nakuha ng Orbong. Binigay kay number 13.
Seems a battle for both teams.
Back to number 13.
Ooh, let's look at that contact.
27. 27 yan. Foul.
Indeed, contact. Richin.
Ang shooting tayo.
Richin.
Yan, teka lang ha. Tingnan natin yung score. Official score natin, 7-12. Ay, mag-free-throw lang. Shooting foul eh. Shooting foul. First strong. Too strong. Palit na, maiwan na lang yung free throw.
Ben, tabi.
Technical shot muna.
Wait, Pak. Good win. Good coaching, Pak. Good coaching. Ikuha mo na lang.
Too strong.
Sir, patapi po. Kalibutan.
Jumper ready. Last throw yan. Last throw one here. Mr. David. Yes, sir.
17-13.
Player of the game nga pala natin kanina, si Mr. Calye.
Yes. You've heard that right. Kalia gets the best player of the game
Lacuna.
for the first game.
Binigay kay Baggy. Baggy pumake. Baggy. Umangat. Bank shot. Wala. Talo na. Nakuha ni
And fresh 5 for Batang Nouveau. Monching is in. Looks like a tall lineup for Batang Nouveau.
Number 10, wala. Rebound ako ni Monching. Napunta kay Lacuna, number 5. Pasa, napunta kay Valerio. Valerio, binigay kay David. Mataas.
Mataas. Scores 9-13.
Lacuna, binigay kay Pineda. Pineda, crossover. Pineda, binigay kay Sir Monching. Last touch by. Same ball daw. Sir Monching, naghanap ng papusahan, naghanap ng cutter, binigay kay Baggy. Baggy to Lacuna. Lacuna, calling the play. Time to shoot. Lacuna, top of the key. Shot, top of the key, Sir Monching. Nakuha ni number 69, Valerio. Binigay kay na ato na naman. Go! Bola, napunta kay...
Looks like a contact.
Foul number 69. Valerio.
Oh my gosh, looks like a fucking foul. It is 9-13. Dapat kindot na niya mo kiligili. Kanya namin kiligili. First free throw.
Too strong.
Wala.
Second throw. Yes, sir. Tatlo na lang ang labang ng Fakers. 13-10. Ancheta, binigay kay David sa gitna. Nice pass! Wala lang! Baggy ngayon, tumatakbo. Baggy. Bitaw ng bola, binigay kay Pineda. Pineda, back
Pineda.
good!
11-13.
1 point separating both teams.
I know that right. 1 point separates both teams.
Tumira, wala. Rebound by Sir Monching, binigay kay Pineda. Pineda behind the back. Pineda, bumagay. Blocking foul against
Hard foul.
number 69.
Hard but fair foul,
Second
I would say.
personal foul on you, Mr. Valerio. Magandang gabi pagdating, Mr. Timbol. Magandang gabi rin, Mr. Henson. Oy! Nakausyan! Yes, sir! Time out! Baker. Good evening, Mr. Henson.
Sige. Ikaw makachikan eh. Ako na tayo. Scores 12-13.
Let's back to the ball game. Go.
12-13, right? 12-13. 12-13.
Ancheta, nagbababa ng bola. Ancheta, crossover. Guarded by Lacuna. Ancheta.
Lacuna, keeping a close eye on Sheta. Rasan, Dipsy 2. Sa gitna. Follows up his own miss pero wala.
Pineda na wala atake. Pineda na naman. Side step. Wala. Rebound. Taping ka na ko.
Pineda. He makes it. To the delight of the crowd. Forward and 13. To the delight of the crowd. Looks like he has strong support. Let's look at that sequence once more.
Tamayo. So throw para kay Sir Russell.
First free throw.
First throw, in and out.
Second free throw.
Second throw,
Wala.
wala rin. Bola. Ang ni Tamayo. Binigay kay Lacuna. Lacuna. Binigay kay Sermon. Sermonching.
Sermonching.
Umangat.
Body against Russell. He gets it.
Iba na ang patangkad. Number 69, binigay kay Pangilinan. Pangilinan!
Sharon,
May
foul.
tayo. Umabot pa sa kamay, Sermonching.
Yes. Clearly a foul.
Two throw. Second throw. Third.
That's it. 18-13. Oops, sorry.
18-14.
18-14.
Lacuna. Binigay kay Sermonching. Sermonching to Lacuna. Bagi. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Tapikan. Nakuha ni Pangilinan ngayon. 3-3.
Jaron takes it straight. Luka Doncic change of pace. 20. 16.
Sabi ni Pangilinan.
Oh, 18-16.
Backshot. Wala. Tapikan. Rebound. Kanya pa rin. Ay, Lacuna pala to. Lacuna. Binigay kay Sermonching. Pinik.
18-16.
42 seconds remaining. 18-16 ang ating score.
18-16. A little under a minute left.
Lakers to tie the game or take the lead. David, set to shoot. David, nabitawan ng bola.
Ooh.
Nakuha ng mga Violet. 3-on-2. Pineda, umangat.
Pineda, change of
Wala.
pace.
Rebound, Tapikan. Napunta kay Ancheta.
Ancheta. Great kay.
Foul on number
Looks like
69.
a foul.
Third personal foul, 14 foul, 17 seconds remaining.
17 seconds.
Bola inbound, napunta kay Bagi, last shot daw, pero tinira na, nakakuha ni David.
Russell
12
gets to the
seconds
ball.
remaining, napunta kay number 10.
Lead pass.
Number 10, intercepted of kick ball,
Good ball.
7 seconds remaining. Pangilinan, 5 seconds to shoot. Pangilinan, nilabas kay number 10. Make
Pop fake. Meron ng tres. Wala. That would have been counted if it went in.
That's the end of our first quarter. Ang ating score, 18-16 in favor of Batang Nobu.
Parang Nobu. 18-16. Oh, let's fix the scores. 18-16 favor of Batang Nobu. So it's going to be plus here. Okay. In 16, second quarter. Close game. Both teams trying to show has the better chemistry. Batang Nobu ball.
Violet ball.
You're seeing the fakers.
Hello.
Sa taas, ito.
Nulot niyan.
Andy. The birthday, Andy Nolod. Salazar.
To nabitawan ni Brian ang bola.
Brian loses the ball.
Pinapintura to David.
Russell.
David, sinawit ng bola. Paras by Ayet. Mataas ang pasa ni Sir David. Ay, sa ating
Rasa loses the ball.
Palong, binigay kay Andy.
18-16, 9-minute
Andy
34.
guarded by Ancheta. Tinirahan. Wala. Rebound. Tapikan. Nakakuha ng jump ball. Gray ball. Orbong, ang ating SG. Binigay kay Ancheta. Sumusot sa ilalim. Nulod. Umik. Nulod. Umangat.
Looking for a foul.
And out of bounds by Day. Violet ball. Bola. Nakon Tevez. Tevez binigay kay Andy. Binigay kay Salazar. Umangat. Back shot. Malakas. Pasa.
This rings.
Malakas.
Walang awa.
Pasa kay
Very strict.
Orbong. Orbong. Pumihit. Umangat. Binigay kay Ancheta.
Ancheta thinks about it. Shoots it. Sayang.
Lumapak, binigay kay Salazar. Salazar, tumira
Salazar,
sa labas.
tumira.
Wala.
Wala.
Rebound, nakuha ni David.
Rasa gets to the rebound.
Ay, nagtawan ako po. Naganda pa.
Sayang.
2016, Ancheta. Bababa ng bola. Ancheta. Napitawan.
Loses the
nakuha ni
ball.
Andy.
I
Andy
think
binigay
the
kay
ball's
Tevez.
staying too long kay Ancheta. Looks like a travel. What's the call, ref?
Timeout, Baker.
Score is 18-16. 2016. 8-11.
Back to the ball game. Ancheta. Top of the key. Guarded by Andy Nulod. Harass by Andy Nulod. Tumatapik ang bola ang mga naka-violet. Last touch by Violet.
Monching urging his team to focus on the game. Rightfully so. And answers with 2 points, 2018.
Nulod, top of the key. Nulod, pinasa kay Salazar. Salazar, jumper, short, rebound, nakuha
Kanina
ni
pa yan.
David.
Misses.
Nakakaraming rebound na si David. Napunta kay Orbong. Napunta pa kay Tevez. Napakisipas ng mga bata. Tevez, binigay kay Salazar. Salazar, circle shot. Last touch by
Wala, sayang.
Violet.
Magkasama kapatid.
David, direct-diretso.
Ooh. Contact. Yep. Contact. Easy call.
First
Easy
personal
call.
foul. Number 8. David, binigay kay Orbong. Orbong, crossover. Crossover again. Orbong, umangat!
Ooh.
Rebound, nakuha ni
Sorry, miss. Salazar.
Kay Nulod.
Finally passes it. Andy. Umangat. Ay, sayang.
First shot para kay Andy
Nice one, nice one.
Nulod. Warning number 6. Resentment to a call. First shot ni Nulod.
Ha? Di siya live recorded.
Recorded.
Pagkatapos ng pagkatapos. Hindi mo siya. Nakatraksi. Nakatraksi. Kahit saan siya punta sa kanya. Parang sa'yo kanina.
Ito.
Yes, sir.
Tulungan mo ako sa score. Tulungan mo ako. Pindot lang nito.
Orbong.
Pati yung oras.
Orbong, crossover. Orbong, crossover again.
Paano po yung score?
Pindutin mo lang.
Umangat. Wala.
Yung mismo number.
Violet.
Wala ang gagawin? May lang? Sige.
Atake. 4-2 situation. Balong.
Sayang.
Benaventura. Benaventura. Jetta. Baliktad naman tayo. Dito naman 4-2. Number 2. Yes, sir.
Natin. Let's look at that play once more.
Brian Ticat. Brian. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Tevez. Short. May foul on number 4. And Jetta.
Bilis lang to. After mga 30 minutes, na-upload na tayo.
Personal foul.
Wala nang edit eh.
Second team foul para sa Fakers.
Para may slow. Dun sa channel ng NBL. Kasi pag sa FB, after 30 days, tatanggalin na.
Ay, ganun?
Bagong rules ng FB.
Ang ganda naman ang upo natin dyan, boys. Rebound by Sir Russell.
Sir Russell.
Binigay kay Ancheta. Ancheta.
And
Trap by Violet. Nakot ang
congrats.
Orbong.
Nice game.
Umangat. Nailisod
And let's
tayo
look at
again.
that play once more.
Number 8.
Replay.
Second personal foul on you, number 8. Tutro para kay Orbong.
Wala nang ano, no?
Second team foul para sa Batang Mugu.
Natin si Sir Russell. Hindi na nahuli. Where is he? Nakalabas siya na. Ayun. Kanina hindi ka binibitawan ng camera nito.
Lakas mo daw konti. Yan, lumagas naman. Rebound, nakuha ni Brian. Brian, binigay kay Lumapak. To Andy. Naka-ready na sa depensa ang Fakers. Fakers, binigay. Tumira, wala. Rebound, nauna pa yung talon bago sa lundag. Papunta ngayon kay Orbong, number 2. Orbong.
Orbong.
Umangat. Bola, nagkatabi.
Let's look at if there's contact. Let's check the contact. And tip in. Range in. Tama nga naman.
Orbong, naghahanap ng papasahan. Binigay kay Benaventura.
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 Hirap yan.
Yes,
Ooh.
sir. Long two.
Hirap yan.
Paano pag minus?
Sumaba ka. Here.
Tabla tayo.
Eto.
4-2.
Yan.
Ang score natin,
Kabila.
4-2 para sa second quarter.
Yan.
Andy
Tama ba?
Lulot.
Tama?
Sa ilalim, nagkagulatan pa.
Yan tuloy. Naiwan tayo. Sorry po.
Turnover ng Violet.
Dinaldalan ako eh.
David, binigay kay Benaventura.
Buenaventura
Sure.
make lead that time. Heat check. Russell trying to
Si Sir Russell.
run after that ball pero wala.
Isa possession pa.
Pakasipag natin. Let's lock him once more. Lock natin siya. Yun, kuha na siya ulit.
Bababa ng bola. Guarded by Sir Russell.
Ay, naiwan ako. Ako na may naiwan.
Nulod.
Ay, naiwan din. Okay. Mamaya, pag nakita niya.
Nulod sa gitna. Nabitawan ng bola. Napunta sa...
Hindi, naiwan niya.
So, Orbong. Orbong connection. Orbong. Dito na sa...
Oh, wrong player.
Babangan nun. Ang mga naka-violet. 3 on 3. Sinira sa 3.
Woo!
Rebound.
Wala,
Nakuha
sayang.
ni Benaventura. Benaventura. Umangat. Wala nga. Rebound. Nakuha ni Ancheta. Benaventura na naman. Tuloy-tuloy tayo ha. Wala pang dead ball. Bola nagkatapikan. Sir Russell. Tumira sa 3. Orbong short. Nakuha ng Salazar. 3-2 situation. Andy Nulos pumihin.
Andy umikat. Looks like he traveled.
Kobe Malakas.
Musog na yung pivot niya.
Intercepted. Ayun na. Palit po tayo. Palit.
Next 5. Next 5 incoming for both teams.
Jay.
4 minute 11.
Hey!
Buenaventura, binigay kay number 69. Pangilinan!
Jaron makes it.
Lamang na! Ang Fakers. Lacuna, binigay kay Anthony Agelo. Hop.
Trouble.
Traveling! Valerio. Sa gitna. Valerio. Nasa sa labas. Binalik sa
Muntik nang ma-travel.
May whistle tayo. Jump ball.
Dead ball.
Violet ball. Lacuna. Lacuna. Binigay kay Sir Monching.
Sir Monching uses his size.
Wala.
Wala.
Napunta kay Baggy.
Baggy.
Tumiyad si Jello! Wala!
Jello blocked.
Rebound. Jello pa rin! Nice pass! Wala! Baggy, wala!
Pagi wala. Another chance for Pagi wala. Russell gets the rebound. Controls the board for the Fakers. Oh no, di pala si Russell yun.
Wala. Number 69! Baldo!
So,
Number 29. Dire-diretso. Number 29. Wala.
ooh! Napakakamot ng ring na to. 0 awa. Oh, short!
Ipagi, mamaya.
Buenaventura to Jaron. Jaron, Pangilinan.
So number 18, wala.
Number 18, wala. Sayang. Remember, these are the second units for both teams. Pineda, Tumira.
taking the three, shoot.
Wala. Wow, non-stop hits. Hinga muna kami. 22-25. Everything but the shot for both teams. Sharon slows it down. Veteran moves. Intercepted. And looks like Jello. Oh! Jello dives for it. Jello binigay kay Lacuna. Pagi!
Nice defense by Jello. Buenaventura, tumira, short. Lacuna, nakuha niya.
Woo!
Number 69. Number 10. Wala.
Ko alam kung nagbibiro si Joma o hindi. Pineda.
Pumihit.
Up.
Umangat.
Hesi. Wala.
Rebound. Buenaventura.
Grabe yun. Sakit sa likod nun.
Orbong. Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
Pineda. Binigay kay number 0.
Yes, sir.
Binigay kay Baggy. Baggy kay Lacuna. Lacuna faking. Lacuna.
Ooh, sayang.
Lacuna.
Broken play.
Dordira.
Next time may camera tayo dito.
Diyan po sa ano?
Sa baba. Next time.
Hindi kaya tatamaan.
Hindi. Tsaka naka-cage.
Bola. Tapikan.
Tatamaan ko sasadyain. Hindi naman. Naka-cage naman. GoPro. GoPro M.
1 minute and 1 minute na lang natitira. Valerio, pumik. Valerio.
Optic.
Umangat. May foul tayo.
Contact.
Number
Tignan natin. Oo nga naman.
Baggy.
24-27. Fakers leading by 3. 55 seconds left.
First to the Valerio. Wala.
55 seconds left. Bate.
Shout out.
Second
Shout out kay Jomar sa tira na yan.
Lacuna. Lacuna.
Na-pressure po. Na-pressure po ang ating guest. Statistician.
Tura pinasa kay Orbong. Lacuna. Lacuna. Pineda.
Pineda. One of the pacier players.
Tinira sa 3. Yes, sir.
Lacuna. Lax.
Tabla tayo. 27 seconds remaining. Orbong. Orbong. May whistle tayo. Push foul against number 3.
Taga na slow mo ka. Let's fix that.
De La
slow.
Cruz.
Let's reduce it to
Time out. Batang Novu.
Time out. Batang Nouveau. Batang Nouveau o Batang Nouveau? Batang Nouveau. Batang Nouveau. Again, you're joining us. You're watching the second game for tonight of the doubleheader. The first game, it's my team who won. Green Team GKDL, courtesy of my seatmate here. I judge the best player of the game, JM Kali. Another accolade for JM. Congrats, JM.
Pintura sa Pangasinan. Jaron. Huli ka.
Looks like contact. Jello.
Second personal foul.
Flagrant!
Penalty.
Jello, flagrant!
2 throw para kay Jaron.
Thrown out!
20 seconds remaining ha.
Hindi alam, maglaro, matutuon out pa eh.
27 all.
27 all, deadlock. 20 seconds left, 20.9.
High.
Jaron misses the one. 20.9 left. Jaron
Second throw. Yes, sir.
makes the second one.
Labang ng Bakers.
May ano yung sa akin eh? Ditapik. Ditapik ang score natin.
Pinila. Lahat na papuntahan. Binigay kay Lacuna.
28-27. Una.
To shoot.
Thinks about it.
Umangat.
Pagi!
3-2 to shoot.
Jomar! Lead pass. And looks like that will count. Tingnan natin.
Counted. Nice shot by
Sayang di nahuli ng slow-mo. Just the
30-27.
last tip of that play lang ang nahuli niya.
Bakers.
Yeah, thank you. This is the halftime. Halftime point for the second game. The Fakers lead by 3 points over Batang Nouveau of Andy Nulod and Sir Monching. Sir Russell and Sharon's team. The Fakers lead by 3. You are now catching the midway point of our first round. If I'm not mistaken, the Fakers are sporting a 3-0 standing. Andy! Andy! And according to Andy, Batang Nouveau standing is 1-2, right, Jello? 1-2.
Okay yung susi ko.
Ay, sa likod ke. Paya buske. Ay, siyempre susi yun. Puto. Okay. Paya buske yan. Say hi, Jaron. Jaron. And second half is underway. Fakers have first possession for the second half.
Orbong, screen si Valerio. Walang napuntahan si Orbong. Binigay kay Jaron. Taking. Jaron. Side step. Umangat. Bang shot is good.
Jaron makes it.
Basic shot ni Jaron. Morales. Umangat. Short. Orbong, pinasa kay Jaron. Jaron. Guarded by Morales. 5 to shoot. Orbong for 3. Too strong. Rebound. Nagagawa ng parehong naka-gray. Jaron.
Jaron.
Ang butiki. Kuha ng bola. Kick ball by Gray.
Bye.
Sa ilalim. Pasa kay Nice.
Woo!
By Brian.
Ayun.
Isa na lang. Ay, tatlo pa rin pala. Valerio
Valerio.
pinasa kay Jaron to Benaventura.
Benaventura.
Nice ball movement by Gray. Nice pass.
Oh, nice fake.
Wala.
Sayang.
Binigay kay Brian. To intercepted by Benaventura.
Ooh, trying to save it. Hirap yun. 29-32. 8:32 left.
Binigay kay Andy Nulod ngayon. Andy Nulod. Sa gitna. Floater. Wala. Rebound nakuha ni Jomar. Pasa kay Jaron. Umangat. Wala.
Jaron, good catch, pero
nakuha ni Orbong.
bad shot. Trying to get it to Jaron. Too unselfish that time. Andy. Nice defense by Russell. Another good D. Looks like a travel. He went down with the ball with him.
Sobra sa pasahan. Ang Violet. Pangilinan. Crossover. Pangilinan sa gitna. Pangilinan. Side.
Pangilinan.
Jaron niya.
Jaron.
Andy ngayon. Andy naman. Umatake. Wala. Rebound by Orbong. Orbong binigay kay Jaron.
Andy, no call.
3 on 3. Jaron. Side set. Jaron. Umangat by Weasel.
Jaron is fouled.
Number 20.
29-34.
Third
Takers,
personal foul.
7:30
Number
left.
8.
First free throw.
Good draw. Short, rebound, tapikan.
Second is short.
Siya pa rin.
Gets with the ball.
Bigay kay David,
Russell.
sa gilid. Wala,
Wala.
rebound. Nakuha ni Benaventura. Benaventura, binigay ulit kay David. David. Kickball. Sub rep, sub.
Make no
Morales
mistake about
out.
it. It's kickball, not fishball.
Evans out.
Here we go. Russell to inbound. Russell sporting some purple
Orbong,
hair
number
there.
2.
Trying to match their
Orbong,
opponent's
pumihi.
purple.
Nabitawan ng
Somehow.
bola.
Russell
Last touch
trying
by
to get to it.
number
Wala.
8. Same ball. Orbong, binigay kay David.
Russell.
David, to Benaventura. Benaventura, back to David. Set to shoot. Orbong.
Orbong thinks about it.
Pangilinan, Jaro, floater, wala, rebound, nakuha ni Brian. Brian, binigay kay Lumapak. Lumapak to Andy. Andy, nabitawan ng bola.
Too strong for Andy that time.
29-34 ang ating score.
29-34. 6
Jomar,
minute
nagbababa ng
38.
bola. Jomar, binigay kay David. David.
Russell.
Umangat.
Ooh.
Ay!
What a play.
Foul number 29.
Two
Sub-rep.
extra free throw coming up for Russell.
Sermon singing. Bonus draw. Para kay David. Good evening, Mr. Alan. Bola. Lacuna. Lacuna, commanding the play. Binigay kay Lumapak. Lumapak, jumper. Yes, sir.
Missed that. 29-36.
Valerio, pinasa kay Orbong. Orbong, pumiyit. Binigay sa kita kay David.
31,
Malakas,
36.
rebound. Napunta kay Jaron.
Sharon, strong.
Wala. Napunta
Russell
kay
gets to the
David.
ball.
Valerio, kinuha ang bola. Easy daw. Ginugulat ang kalaban. Valerio naman, take to shoot. Binigay kay David.
Russell,
David,
pulls
turn around shot. Yes, sir!
Very good shot.
Andy. Andy taking the three. Back!
Andy answers back.
Valerio. Binigay ang pangilinan ng bola ngayon.
Sharon.
Take to shoot. Valerio, 4-3. Yes!
Whoa! He makes it! I don't know how he does it, but he made that one. Okay,
Dulot.
34. Naiwan na nga ako eh.
Ay, yun yung ano?
Nakuha ka ni Beneventura. Beneventura, baseball pass kay Jalon. Jalon, pass kay Orbong. Yes, sir!
Ayan, the last play.
Time out. Batang Babu.
Oo, grabe. Parang championship. Para magdo-double OT pa nga kanina.
Hindi nga. Kung umabot lang yung oras sa tira ni Marshall.
Hindi mo lang natabla tayo, no? Ay, lamang.
Back to the ball game.
Linabas mo pa eh. Nung nakuha mo doon?
Oh.
Nilampog pa dito.
Hindi.
Kung lamang tayo, tama yung ginawa mo eh. Kaya lang tabla.
Akalo kasi namang tayo.
Hindi tayo. Deadlock.
Commanding the play.
Isa lang pa man din yung kalaban mo sa baba.
Binigay kay Lacuna. 4-3.
Oo.
Wala. Rebound.
Or din, drive mo.
Okay lang, Jay.
Jomar. Binigay kay Pangilinan. Jao, titigan mabuti, malakas, rebound, nakuha ni Andy. Andy sa kita, dire-diretso nabitawan ng bola, pero tumama sa hita ni number 69. Sabrep. Pineda out. Wala nang foul, outside lang. Tumama sa pintilan, sabi ko. Uy, nakaw-play!
Uy, nakaw. Not successful that time. Oh, boom. What is that? Looks like a foul.
Play daw.
24.
Contact sa baba?
Foul number 24.
Nasa taas eh.
2 shot para kay Orbong.
Looks like a foul. One up wrong.
Orbong. Naku, ilakas mo konti.
34-43. To the enjoyment of the
Second
crowd.
throw. Malakas naman. Rebound. Takuha ng...
Actual time is 4 minutes 01.
Dahan-dahan kayo. Bakal yung likod nung sa baba ng court natin, ha? Matulis na bakal yan. Dahan-dahan. Lacuna, commanding the play. Binigay kay Salazar. Salazar, binigay kay number 11.
Uy! Looks like steps.
Raul!
Trouble. Let's watch that cha-cha once more. Oh, hindi na nahuli.
Equal pass kay Jaron, intercepted by Salazar. Binigay kay Nulog.
Oops. Isibabaw matas. Isibabaw matas, Sam. Balam shot, Tuyam.
Nulod, binigay kay Lacuna. Lacuna, back to Nulod. Nulod, bumik, Nulod.
Andy, nice drop. Ay!
Pinasa kay Obong.
Sayang.
Nice pass to Jaron.
All the way, top goal.
Salazar, binigay kay Lacuna. Lacuna to Orbong. Ay, 11, wala. 3-on-1 situation. Alium. Pasa.
Nilaro pa.
Pasa. Nakagawad patuloy.
Nilaro pa.
Sobrahan ng pasa. Andy. Tumira rin na. Nakuha ni Lacuna. Lacuna, fade away shot. Kapus pa rin. Jomar, nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha kay Salazar. To Lacuna. Lacuna, floater, malakas. Rebound, Valerio, pumik. Valerio, binigay kay David.
Nag-enjoy sila kay Joma.
David, binigay kay Orbong. Umangat. Intercepted ni number 11, Tamayo.
But he made that one. Okay,
Dulot.
34. Naiwan na nga ako eh.
Ay, ayun yung ano?
Nakuha ka ni Beneventura. Beneventura, baseball pass kay Jalon. Tipas kay Orbong. Yes, sir!
Ayan, last play.
Time out. Batang Babu.
Oo, grabe. Parang championship. Para magdo-double OT pa nga kanina.
Kung umabot lang yung oras patira ni Marshall.
Hindi mo lang natabla tayo na. Ay, lamang.
Back to the ball game.
Dinabas mo pa eh. Nakuha mo doon?
Oh.
Nilampog pa dito.
Hindi.
Kung lamang tayo, tama yung ginawa mo eh. Kaya lang tabla.
Akalo kasi lamang tayo.
Hindi tayo. Deadlock. Isa lang pa man din yung kalaban mo sa baba.
Binigay kay Lacuna.
Oo.
Wala. Rebound.
Or din, drive mo.
Okay lang, Jay.
Jomar. Kay Pangilinan. Jao, titigan mabuti, malakas, rebound, nakuha ni Andy. Andy sa gitna, dire-diretso nakitawan ng bola, pero tumama sa hita ni number 69. Sabrep. Pineda out. Kailangan foul, outside lang. Tumama sa pintila, sabi ko. Uy, nakaw-play!
Uy, nakaw. Not successful that time. Oh, boom. What is that? Looks like a foul.
Play daw.
24.
Contact sa baba?
Foul number 24.
Nasa taas eh.
2 shot para kay Orbong.
Looks like a foul. One up wrong.
Orbong. Naku, ilakas mo konti.
34-43. To the enjoyment of the crowd.
Pro. Malakas naman. Rebound. Takuha ng...
Official time is 4:01.
Dahan-dahan kayo. Bakal yung likod nung sa baba ng court natin, ha? Matulis na bakal yan. Dahan-dahan. Isang gitna. Lacuna, commanding the play. Binigay kay Salazar. Salazar, binigay kay number 11.
Uy! Looks like steps. Bravo. Let's watch that cha-cha once more. Oh, hindi na nahuli.
Pass kay Jaron, intercepted by Salazar. Binigay kay Nulod.
Oops. Isibabaw matas. Isibabaw matas, Sam. Balam shot, Tuyam.
Nulod, binigay kay Lacuna. Lacuna, back to Nulod. Nulod, bumik, Nulod.
Andy, nice drop. Ay!
Pinasa kay Obong.
Sayang.
Nice pass to Jaron!
All the way, top board.
Salazar, binigay kay Lacuna. Lacuna to Orbong. Ay, 11, wala. 3-on-1 situation. Alium. Pasa.
Nilaro pa.
Pasa. Nakagawad patuloy.
Nilaro pa.
Sobrahan ng pasa. Andy. Tumira rin ka. Nakuha ni Lacuna. Lacuna, fade away shot. Kapus pa rin. Jomar, napitawan ng bola. Nakuha kay Salazar. Salazar to Lacuna. Lacuna, floater, malakas. Rebound, Valerio, pumik. Valerio, binigay kay David.
Nag-enjoy sila kay Joma.
David, binigay kay Orbong. Umangat. Intercepted ni number 11, Tamayo. Kobe! Yes, sir! Yun, sa ilalim by David! Foul number 11. Sub-rep number 11 out. Sub-rep. Bonus throw para kay Sir Russell. Rebound, nakuha ni Orbong. Orbong nagkakapasahan, binigay kay David. Binigay kay Benaventura. Back to David, sa gitna, malakas. Rebound, nakuha ni Jomar. Sumigaw. Lumapak. Diretso. May whistle tayo. And foul on number 6. Tablet. Valerio out. Orbong out. Orbong in. Orbong out. Orbong in. Two throw para kay Lumapak. Short.
36-47, 1 minute 51 left.
Lakas mo daw. Malakas naman. Rebound daw ni Brian. Binigay kay Lumapak. Tumira long 2. Yes, sir!
Long 2. 38-47.
Guarded by Lacuna. Veterans versus rookie. David,
Russell. Up and under, wala.
Takbuhan ngayon.
Purple shirts running. Pulls up on the top of the key. Wala. Sayang.
Orbong. Orbong, binigay kay Lacuna for 3.
Lacuna over
Benaventura.
Cooks.
Pass to Jaron, yes sir!
Tama-tama lang.
Double digit lead na ang Fakers. Nice shot by Lumapa.
Missed that.
Balik tayo sa single digit lead.
40-14.
Siya kailangan naman ng
While we're
Fakers.
showing Jaron shot, we missed Lumapak's shot.
Guarded by 2 Violet. Balik kay Russell.
Russell gets it back.
Nice pass to Orbong.
Dishes it up to Orbong.
Orbong.
What a player. Keeps the ball.
Same ball.
Fakers keep
Nice to
possession.
shoot. Uncheckable 3, too strong.
30 seconds left. Official time.
Bounce pass to Lacuna.
Umangat, wala.
Up.
And Sheta picks up the foul.
13.
Nice.
Third personal foul, penalty rep.
28.7. Cheta. Shooting 2.
Yaw, tumira, malakas.
Lagot ka niyan. Yeah.
Pangalawang tira.
Makes it.
Sir.
Makes it that time. 40-40 na.
40-50 ang ating
40-50.
2 second differential between shot clock and the game clock. Binigay kay Baggy, binigay kay Lumapak, umangat, malakas, rebound, nakuha ni Brian, nabitawan ng bola, pasa kay Archeta, binigay kay Jaron,
Wow, the pass. Jaron covers the ball. Wala, sayang. Ang tagal.
Kinaya ko, Kobe.
Ang tagal sa kanya. Sayang. Di siya aware, no? 40-50. Sayang.
40-50.
At the end of 3 quarters. Sino lamang? Fakers. Fakers lead by 10. Fakers lead by 10. Again. Batang Novo is sporting a 1-2 record and Fakers are sporting a 3-0 record if I'm not mistaken. It's the period between the third and fourth quarter about to start. Batang Novo to inbound.
Last and final quarter, 10 ang kailangan ng kay Salazar, Kobe 3-4! Trapping ng Violet, Jowar, binigay
Kobe makes the second shot
ng Violet.
43.
Ang dinulog ngayon, pushing the
40.
ball, ang dinulog binigay kay Jagdilen, kay Pineda.
45-15.
Basket! Oy! Libre naman si Jaron.
Jaron answers back.
5-2 run. Dulog. Top of the key. Dulog.
Andy.
Wala.
Birthday boy.
Rebound. Tapikan. Nakuha niya. Real to situation. Ang seta. Nagtawa na pala. Napunta ko siya.
And a call.
What's my rep?
45-52.
Pineda. Second personal foul, Pineda.
45-52.
Bonus shot para kay Pangilinan.
45-54. 9:13. Shakon, first free throw. Wala.
Wala, rebound by Pineda. Pineda binigay.
Looks like Sir Russell is taking a breather.
Pushing. Andy, umangat! Yes,
Possibly so he can finish strong for the remainder of the fourth.
Wala. Ay
Until
Jaron. Jaron ngayon. Jaron.
kaya po siya magpapahinga.
Nakuha ka
Tignan natin.
ng Morales. Binigay kay Kobe.
Fakers are just trying to dunk
Binigay
this
kay
time.
Nulod.
And
Nulod.
sidestep.
Baseline. Umangat. Short.
Sayang.
69. Inisa ang bola sa swimming pool.
Wasted opportunity. Jomar wasting that possession by rushing.
Nulod ang bola. Nulod, nangingi ng screen, binigay kay Kobe. Kobe for 3. Wala. Bola. Sabi kay Jaron. Jaron. Hop, teka lang. Wait lang daw. Binigay kay Orbong. 2. Number 69. Walang tinamaan. Pinasa kay Morales. Morales. Umayaw.
Contact.
Number 21.
Reaching.
Sabrep.
Yeah, looks like a reaching foul on
Step
Jaron.
out.
Jaron admits to it.
Nabrep,
Right away.
24 out. First personal ka pa lang, Jaron. Marami ka bang foul na ibibigay? First throw. Wala.
This is the first one.
Second throw. Too strong. Rebound ako ang David. David niya nagbababa ng bola. David, dire-diretso. David!
Russell takes it strong. Wala. Sayang.
Kay Andy Nulot. Andy
Andy.
Nulot ngayon. Andy, sidestep. At play with tayo. Foul on number
Andy.
6. Pushing foul. Two throw.
Draws the foul that time.
Two throw para kay Andy. Fourth personal foul, Mr. Benaventura. Too strong. Apat ka na, Dexter.
Fourth personal for Dexter. That is Buenaventura.
Second throw. Wala pa rin. Apat na free throw na
Russell
nasayang ng
gets to the
batang
rebound.
dugo. Orbong. Orbong ngayon ang bola. Orbong sa kita.
Orbong,
Orbong.
showing maturity.
Foul tayo kay number 29. 7-point lead. Third personal foul, Mr. Pineda. Wala, binigay kay David. David, bibig sa kita.
Russell spins. Wala.
Rebound. Nakuha niya. Balong. Oh, a risky foul again on number 21, Jaron.
Foul on Jaron.
Second personal foul.
47-54.
13 foul.
7-36.
Dito na lang ang labang. Andy for three.
Andy, tumira. Wala.
Wala. Rebound nakuha.
Official time, 7:27. 7:07 left sa ating fourth quarter. This is the second game of the doubleheader tonight at the Nabo Residences Basketball League.
Oh, nalibre si Dexter.
This is the first season. Dexter.
Foul number 10, Andy Nulog sa prep. Sino lalabas nyo? Violet. Isa pa. Bonus throw para kay Dexter.
Dexter. Free throws. Bonus, I think. Misses the bonus. Sayang. 47-56. Lamang ng walo. Lamang na siya. Ang Fakers.
Gray ball.
7-14.
Warbong, fade away shot. Short. Rebound ako ni Monting. Tumatakbo ngayon. Sinulog. Bounce
Andy.
pass si Tebes. Binigay kay Lim. Ay, pasa-pasa.
Ooh, looks like a 3-second violation.
3 seconds violation.
Clearly.
Sumobra sa pasahan.
Sumaba.
Pangilinan. Jaron. Binigay kay David. David. Short. Rebound. Number 27. 4-on-2 situation. Uy, lumusot-lusot. Patay ang
sayang.
butike.
Russell controls the board. Being hounded. Looks like a foul.
27 yan. 27.
Foul
Morales.
from behind. Trying to clamp on Russell.
Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Dexter. Hinihintay ang mga kakampi. Dexter. Faking. Dexter, natabagin ng bola. Tabagin ng bola. Nakakuha ni Maggie. Tapos na kay Andy. Andy umangat! Yes, sir!
And he gets it. No foul. 49-56.
Bola. Nabutawan ni Valerio. Valerio. Sino nang susutan? Dalawa. Pagkasama. Nagkakagawan. Binigay. Jaron. Faking. Jaron. Crossover. Jaron. Out of bounds.
Looks like
Six minutes remaining. Tebes, binigay kay Nulod. Nulod, faking. May foul again. Warning for penalty pala. Warning for penalty, both teams. Third personal foul, Jaron. Nulod. Binigay kay Morales. Morales faking. Morales binigay kay Baggy. Baggy open shot. Malakas.
Lagi wala.
Bola. Napunta kay Binaventura. Binaventura to Jaron.
Sharon.
Jaron, hinintay mga kampoy. Binigay kay Valerio. Time to shoot. Valerio. Sa gitna. Nice stay up. Wala. Kapikan. Kanya pa rin. Bola. David. David.
Nice,
Kumakat. Wala.
Wala.
Bandi ngayon ang
Bothered
bola.
by Monsheng.
At ngayon. Kumakat.
Andy.
Yes, sir! 5 na lang
Makes it.
ang kalabangan. Orbong, pumake, Orbong,
Orbong fake. Antay pa ang kanyang kalaban. Russell thinks about it from the side. He makes it!
7 to make, easy basket.
Easy basket. The other end.
5 na lang ang
53-58.
labang. Bola, kinuha ni Andy. May foul pa tayo on the beat.
Foul on the bid.
Timeout, Fakers. First personal foul. The beat. Penalty, Fakers. 2 shot para kay Andy Nulod.
$53-58. We see that it's 4 minutes 53 remaining.
First draw by Andy Nulod. Good. Apat na lang. 54-58. Under 5 minutes remaining. Second draw. Good.
Good free throw.
Tatlo na lang.
Second one.
Trap again. Jaron. Hindi kayo mga kasama.
Sharon.
Jaron, nagharap ng papasahan. Jaron, binigay kay Benaventura.
53,
Benaventura.
55, 58.
Back to Jaron.
Sharon.
Time to shoot. Jaron, binigay kay Dexter. Dexter, long
Dexter
two.
Camara.
Yes, sir!
Makes it long two. It's a long two, so it makes it 60-55. Lima.
Andy, hinihintay Sir Monching. Andy nangingi ng screen. Binigay kay Pagi. Pagi. Wala.
Wala.
Out of bounds na. Sharon, binigay kay Jomar. Balik kay Sir David. Back to Jomar.
Jomar.
Jomar, hindi makakampi.
55-60.
Time to shoot.
Fakers
Sharon,
trying to protect their lead. A little
Sharon,
under 4 minutes.
binigay kay Benaventura. Tumira,
Benaventura
wala
tries
na.
it once more.
Yes,
Bong gets it. Makes it 62-55.
Andy, nag-iisa. Andy, nabitawan ng bola. Traveling!
Too fast for his own good. Good D there.
Kabret,
Sir Russell.
Dalmonting out. Kabret. Bagi out. Inbound. Ano lang sa amin kay Orbong. Orbong, nagdala ng bola.
They're forcing a
Jaron, kakita. Jaron, intercepted ng bola. Last touch by
last touch by Andy.
Balong.
Hello, Andy. Looks like it's Andy.
Balong out.
Snatched by Andy.
Kobe E. Jomar. Nabitawan ng bola. Time to shoot. Jaron.
Sharon.
Jaron, side step. Layup, short. Rebound. Kanya pa rin.
Jaron.
Yes, sir!
The second one. 64-55.
Salazar, dire-diretso. Salazar, pass to Pineda. Short, Pineda pa rin. Malakas. Kanya pa rin ang bola. Nakakuha ni Jomar.
Jomar gets to the ball.
Dinigdig ni David.
3 minutes, 7 left.
Sapang lamang natin. David! Umangat!
Kaso.
May foul.
Wala.
On number 29.
Russell.
Penalty.
Taas.
Fourth personal foul. Number 29. 55-64.
Russell.
Chance
To attempt.
ni Sir Russell na
Second free throw.
maging double-digit lead.
Chance to increase the lead.
Wala.
10.
Rebound.
Wala.
Salazar. Oh, may-whistle tayo. Foul number 2, Orbong. Penalty.
Foul on Orbong.
First person na foul, Orbong. Under 3 minutes remaining tayo, ha? Under 3 minutes remaining. Fourth quarter. This was good. Wala na lang.
First free throw was good. 56-64. 2 minute 57 left. Second free throw. Wala. Now Ficos gets to the ball.
Dexter, binigay kay Jaron.
Sharon gives it back to Dexter.
Dexter to Jaron.
Playing a two-man game this time. Give it to the top of the key. David around. Miss. Sayang.
Lulog ngayon.
Andy.
Lulog na atake. Lulog.
Looks to attack. Left-handed layup. Wala. Miss. Salazar shoots a 3. Wala. Short.
Kapos. Tumira. Kapos.
Kapos. 2 short shots in succession. Sama.
Nag-iisa si Sir Russell. Sir Russell. Umangat.
So Russell gets the foul. Hard foul.
Foul number
Hard
24.
foul.
Third personal foul.
Yellow.
Makes the first one. 56-65. Double-digit lead once more as Fakers keeping their distance. Wow! Extra ball.
Okay. Itabi niyo muna.
Russell. Second free throw. Makes the second. Adding cushion. Salamat.
Sino?
Fakers looking to hold on to the lead and extend their record to 4-0 if they win this one.
Una. Bumapak for 3. Yes, sir!
3 for the Batang. 59-66-7.
Bola. Maghihintay. Orbong kay Mami. Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
Valerio ang bola. Set to shoot. 7 ang kalamangan. Bola. Last shot by Pinela. Out of bounds. Out of bounds na. Okay, okay. 7 yan. 7 yan. 6 to shoot.
Russell being defended man to
Dex,
man.
binigay kay Jaron.
Jaron shoots it.
Wala. Rebound. Tapi ka.
Just on time. Russell gets to it. Sacrificing his body that time. Napakasipag.
Sino foul?
He's to shoot
29.
2 free throws.
5 fouls ka na.
About to shoot 2 free throws. So Razo.
First shot. Good.
First shot is good. 59-66. 1 minute 43 seconds left. This is the fourth quarter.
Last throw.
Russell. Second free throw.
Good.
68, 59.
1:40 remaining. 9-point lead ng
9-point
Fakers.
lead again.
Lacuna, binigay kay Andy. Andy pumake. Andy dribbling the ball. Andy, binigay kay Baggy sa gilid. Short. Rebound.
Baggy
Sabrek.
causes it to be out of bounds. So nalubong niya ang bola coming from the baseline.
Orbong, ang bola, guarded by Tevin. Tevin to David. David, bounce back sa ilalim, napunta sa violet. Oh, intercepted by Orbong. Orbong. Foul. Niyakap mo lang
Foul.
kanina.
Clamp on.
Tayo rin. Wala ka ba duty ngayon? Bukas ang bilyaran. Second throw.
Russell tries to get to it. Wala.
Kevin, binigay kay
Balong.
Andy. Pero Andy pinapintura. Nice pass, number
Nice
0.
pass.
1 minute
Answers
and
back.
5 seconds
61,
na.
68, 7. 7-point lead.
Bola kay Jaron. Jaron.
Trying to force it. Now, good pressure defense.
1
Nagbunga.
minute remaining. Official score natin. 61-68. 7-point lead. Andy. Sa gitna. Andy umangat. Score. 55 seconds remaining. 5 lang ang laban.
63, 68. Andy makes that.
Initya ang bola.
Layup.
Napunta kay Dexter.
Dexter trying to waste the time. Wisely so.
Bola. Dexter to shoot.
Russell gets to it. Gives it to Jomar. Jomar protects the ball. Jomar showing maturity.
Joma. Joma.
Jomar. Oh, wastes the possession but wasted time in the process. 36.8 seconds left. Let's welcome our president. Past president.
5 ang laban.
Still my president.
Both teams,
Dati kasi-
dalawang timeout, ha?
You're live. You're on.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. This is really an exciting game, huh?
Timeout, Batang Nubu.
Comment ka lang. Samahan mo kami. Let's finish this game together.
Yeah, let's finish this game together. It's really getting exciting. 68-63 with 36 seconds.
Welcome.
Welcome, everyone, to an exciting game between Batang Novu versus
The Fakers.
the
Fakers.
Fakers.
Yes.
Oh, wow. 36.8 seconds. It's not yet a foregone conclusion. This is so exciting.
An
All right.
eternity of basketball
Yeah.
left.
All right.
Dulot, ang hihingi ng screen.
Thank you, sir.
Dulot, trap ng dalawa. Dulot.
Nulad. Anong team ka, sir?
Ball. 20 seconds,
Okay.
27 seconds remaining.
See you next week, sir.
To shoot. Lacuna for 3. Short. Oh, nice pa. Tumira. Wala. Tapi.
Tingnan natin.
Second throw.
Second free throw. Makes the second one. Almost icing the game
Batang double.
from that point. Tingnan natin. Upping the lead to 3 points for the Fakers with 2 successful free throws. Sir Russell Devane.
Both teams penalty.
You heard that right. Both teams are in penalty. Sharon calling man to man. Last 15 seconds. Shot clock is dead.
Bola, lumapak.
Mapak.
Lumapak, binigay kay Andy.
Andy.
10 seconds remaining. Nagbawa ng bola.
Andy. Almost loses
Andy
it.
ang bola.
Gets it back.
Andy, binigay
Passes
kay
it.
Nabitawan!
Oh, sayang! Nabitawan ni Balong. Crucial error. That would have been, looks like a foregone conclusion. Buenaventuras go has an opportunity to put that nail in the coffin, the proverbial nail. Let's see. This is
Wala
the
pa
first
rin.
one, though.
Ako. Wala. Rebound ako.
Oh,
Balik niya.
yes. He gets a rebound and wastes the remaining time. And
Napaka-utak mo, Benaventura.
Fakers prevail, improving to 4-0. Similar records to GKDL team who won in the first game. Congratulations, Fakers, and we await the best player of the game. Tignan po natin kung sino po ang ma-judge na best player of the game. So, final score, 67-70. Let's see who gets the accolade. And the winning team, the Fakers. Again, for the final results, 67-70. Congratulations to the Fakers. They improved to 4-0. Thank you so much and goodbye. Join us again for next week. God bless and peace out.